Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a rule in Outlook to move emails. In this walkthrough, we'll create a simple Outlook rule that automatically moves emails from a specific sender into a folder you choose. This is a helpful way to keep your inbox organized and reduce clutter, especially if you receive repeated messages from the same source. To begin, open Outlook and wait for your mailbox to load fully. Once you're in, click on your inbox so you're viewing your incoming messages. This is important because the rule will be created based on a message that's already in your inbox. Next, find a sample email that you want to use as the basis for the rule. This should be a message from the sender whose emails you want Outlook to sort automatically in the future. Right-click on that email to open the context menu. In the menu that appears, move your mouse over Rules. This will expand the available rule options. From there, click Create Rule. Outlook will open a rule setup window where you can choose what conditions should trigger the rule and what action should happen next. In this case, click the option based on the sender, shown as From, followed by the sender name. This tells Outlook to apply the rule to emails coming from that source. After that, click the option to move the item to a folder. This is the action that will happen automatically whenever a matching email arrives. Once that option is selected, choose the sample folder where you want these emails to go. Make sure you select the correct folder, since this is where future messages from that sender will be moved. When the destination folder is selected, click OK to confirm your folder choice. Then, click OK again to finish creating the rule. At that point, Outlook saves the rule and begins using it for incoming emails that match the condition you selected. If Outlook gives you the option to run the rule on existing messages, you can decide whether you want current emails from that sender moved right away or only future emails handled automatically. Either way, the rule itself is now in place. And that's it. You've successfully created a rule in Outlook to move emails into a specific folder. This kind of setup can save time and make your inbox much easier to manage. If needed, you can always return to your rules settings later to edit, disable,